Okay guys, welcome to my new video, how to make 100 a day with YouTube and Clickbank without filming any videos and without any subscribers. Okay, you don't need to create any video, and you don't need subscribers to make money with this system. Basically, you can make a new channel for this method, and you can start from scratch. Okay, you can make your channel, you can make your new channel, and you can start everything from scratch. Okay, so basically, let's start, and I will show you step by step how all this working and how to make money with this system. Okay, so first let's go to YouTube, and after making your new channel, or you can use your channel, you can go to search and search for Clickbank. Okay, Clickbank or Clickbank tutorial or Clickbank, you can see you have here a lot of keywords, and you can search for every keywords, and basically I recommend to start with only Clickbank. Okay, so make search for Clickbank and go here to filter. Okay, so let's go to filter, and you can see here Creative Commons. Okay, so let's select this option. Now, like you see, we have get some results, some video, a lot of videos, all these videos you can download and you can upload to your channel for free. Okay, there is no copyright. You can do whatever you want with these videos, and you can see there is a lot of videos here that you can use for free. Okay, so basically all you have to do is click one of this video. Let's say this video look great, so let's click, and you will get this video. Now all you have to do is copy the URL for your videos. Here in the top you can see the URL, so let's copy and go to download YouTube videos tools. Okay, for free there is unlimited tools that you can use to download your video. You can visit the first one and type your link. Okay, like you see. Okay, so all you have to do, these tools, sorry, these tools will give you, you can download the MP4, and all you have to do is click download and download this video. Now, basically, you have to do this. You can download unlimited video, even 10 videos daily, and upload to your channel. But remember, all you have to use only, you have to go to filter on YouTube after making your search and click this option. Okay, this is very important. Okay, remember, please remember this option, and everything will be okay. Okay, so you can download videos, free videos, and upload to your channel. Now, how to upload these videos to your channel, I will show you how to do this. For example, so like you see, I have downloaded one video. For example, let's open and upload. Now this part is very important. Okay, you need a description and you need keywords. So how to get keywords and how to make your description. Your description, you have to explain about this video or about Clickbank. Okay, you don't have to explain about the video. All you have to do is give some explanation about Clickbank, and also you can put your link, but I will show you later what link you have to promote here. And this is very important. This very important. Your keyword. Okay, you need a keyword. So how to get keywords? There is a great option that you get unlimited keywords, and very great keywords. You can visit please keyword tool .io. Okay, this tool will give you a great keywords from Google, YouTube, and Bing. I recommend to use all of them. Okay, so for example, let's type here how to make money with Clickbank. Okay, so let's start with Google. Okay, right now this Google is the option. Okay, so basically you have to use the long keywords title. Okay, so basically this great keywords, let's get it and go to my video and type here. Let's make it private right now. Okay, so this is one keyword. Let's back to our keyword tools. You can see how to make money with Clickbank fast, or how this is a more great. Copy and put in your keyword. Okay, so basically I think you get the point how to make money using Clickbank step by step. So let's get this keyword. Okay, you have to put here 8 keywords. Okay, 8 keywords you have to put, and in your description you can type something like if you want to make money with the Clickbank, I will show you. Let's get this. Okay, I think you get the point. You have to put some description here. Now we have our title. Okay, that's great, and we have the description, and we have some keywords that we get from keyword tool. Also, you can click here YouTube, and you will get more long title. Let's say let's get this keyword. Okay, remember you have to get all the long title keywords, only the long, okay, like this, how to make money online with Clickbank without a website. Let's go to Bing. And we will get more keywords, okay? Remember, you can put 8 keywords on your keywords inbox, and like you see, everything is great. Now we need a link, okay? We need a link so we can make money, okay? Now basically with this option you can make money from YouTube, Google AdSense, and you can make money from any affiliate network. You can sell product using any affiliate program like let's say Clickbank. Okay, so basically you can go to Clickbank and type here in the top copy paste income. There is unlimited product about Clickbank, but one of them that I will really like it is E1 copy paste income. Okay, let's visit so you can see this product. Okay, this is a great product, like you see, and basically you can sell this product and you can earn money from this product. Okay, so you can make money from a Clickbank. All you have to do is click promote. Okay, and copy link. You can see here, copy hop link, and back to our video. Now, basically, you can put your link here like this, and you can short your link using any shorting link solution like bit.do or bit.ly or tiny URL. I recommend to not use this shorting link. Just put your link here and that's it. And the reason sometimes this shorting link solution will blocking your link, so I recommend not short your link. Just put your link here in the top, and that's it. Now basically everything is great. Now we have a title, we have a description, and we have an keywords. Okay, and all you have to do is go to advanced settings. Okay, you have to choose how to, and of course language English, and you can go to license and write. So you have to choose creative comments, and you can select here this content had never aired on television or the US. Okay, it's okay. You can choose this option. Okay, so now everything is great, and all you have to do is done. Okay, now there is something that you have to do so you can get unlimited views, and you can get unlimited traffic to your affiliate link below your video. You have to share your link on, let's say, everywhere. Okay, you can use Facebook or any social media. Basically, you have to share your link so you can get views, and also so you can rank your YouTube higher in a search engine, okay, like Google, Bing, Yahoo, and YouTube, of course, okay. So this is very important to share your YouTube, and you can, of course, you can you can download and upload 10 videos daily to your channel. Remember to choose this option, okay? I will back so you can see it. Clickbank and go to filter and choose creative comments. Okay, this is very, very important. And then you can download let's say 10 videos or one video. You can download one videos if you don't want to work harder, okay. You can download one videos daily and upload to your channel. Please don't forget keywords, okay, this is very important. Keywords and description and your title, okay. And of course don't forget to share your YouTube link everywhere so you can rank your YouTube higher in search engine, and from there you will get a commission you can make from this system, from this method, 100 even more, okay. It's up to your work, it's depend your work. More videos you upload to your channel, there is more commission that you can make from this system. Okay, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, please type your comment or question below this video. I will be happy to help everyone. I will upload more videos, so please don't forget to subscribe to channel for more videos. Thank you again, and have a good day.